Hello everyone, your favorite chef is here, and today we're gonna prepare banana cookie balls. So let's start. Let's start with 2 bananas, peel them and then put in a bowl, and with fork mash them to make the smooth texture as much as you can do it. You can do it with food processor, but today we're gonna do on this way, just to show that's so easy that you don't need anything. And then you're gonna add a honey or maple syrup for about 1/4 cup or 56 grams. Combine till you get smooth texture, and then we're gonna add scrambled cookies. Combine that until you get dry texture that we're gonna use to make our balls. That's basically it. We are almost over, guys. You see how it's easy. It should be around 11 ounces of our mixture, or 280 grams. It should be enough for 7 balls. That's around 40 grams or 1.5 ounce. With your hands, combine them into small balls. Be gentle so balls get really rounded. You can make them for your kids, for your family, for your husband. Everyone is gonna love it, and they are so simple. They don't afford so much time to make them. And then we're gonna drop them on coconut powder, roll them into it, and then place on the plate, arrange them, decorate them, and that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope, guys, that you enjoyed. You're gonna love it, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done yet.